Hello students, come back to our second part in the poster making. Okay, I have already taught you the first part. We have completed the page number 61. One poster making is there about the government model school. Now we are going to the ZP High School. Okay, this is also one type of poster making, children, about the ZP High School. Already we have completed one class how to write. First of all, ambition of the school he has mentioned in the left side. Then features he has wrote in the right side, and I have explained their features also. Now we have gone through. Now we are going to see the how the ZP High School has prepared the poster and telling the importance of the school in a different way. Okay, in the different way means they have prepared the poster in the different way. So everybody has their own talent in preparing the different things. Yes, sir? So now we are going to see the poster making of ZP High School, children. I will read from the textbook. See the page number 61. I have mentioned on the blackboard also. Page number 61. See carefully, children. I will explain you. See here. ZP High School is given. Yes. What is the ZP High School? It is a school. It is given in a very bold letters, very big letters. Why they are given ZP? ZP High School. H-I-G-H. High School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Yes. ZP High School. That means Zilla Parishad. Zilla Parishad High School. They are making the poster on Zilla Parishad High School. That's why the ZP High School is mentioned with the bold letters, printed in the bold letters. Okay, now we are talking about the ZP High School. So he has given the address. How he has mentioned the address? Street number 8. Yes, street number 8. Vanasthalipuram, Hyderabad. That means this school is also present in the Hyderabad in the street number. See, Hyderabad is a very big place, children. You know that it is a very big place. So what is given? They are mentioning the street number also. Along with the street number, the street colony name also. In which colony? Okay, in which street? What is the name of the street? Vanasthalipuram. Vanasthalipuram is the name of the street. Okay, in Hyderabad. Vanasthalipuram is present in the Hyderabad. Now, children. So next, he has mentioned the different ways here, making the circle. Yes, sir? The circle is in different way. The only school that enhances all-round development of the children. That means ambition of the school he has mentioned before. After the heading, he has mentioned the ambitions. Those who are entering into the school, what the ambition they will take into the school and what they will, how they will reach that goal. Okay, so the only school that they are telling them, this is the only school where all round development, the only school that enhances, that gives, okay, which enhances is nothing but that enhances is nothing but which gives, okay, that gives all round development of the children. Means all round development means if a child is there at home, he must have the all round development. He must have all round development qualities. All round development means he should be perfect in studies. He should be perfect in playing. He should be perfect in eating or whatever it may be. Okay, so enhance. That is called all round development. The things, the development in which the quality in which the child has to be developed. Okay, that is called the all round development. The qualities which are useful for the child. The qualities which are useful for the child for the development of his mind. It is called the all round development of the children. Now, salient features given, children. Salient, S-A-L-I-E-N-T. Salient features are given. F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Salient features are given. What are the salient features? What are the salient features? What are the importance of that school? Which school? ZP High School. ZP High School. Located in the, see, First feature is located in the midst of nature. Midst of nature means the place where the school is located. How the place where the school is located, it has very good nature. Okay, very good nature. That means in that surrounding there is no pollution. Example, sound pollution, water pollution. This type of pollutions are not seen. So it is located in the midst of nature. Now goes to the second one, children. Focus on all-round development of your child. They are telling that we will focus on all-round development of your child. Okay, all-round development is nothing but, I told no, the qualities, the good qualities which the child has to be developed. That all qualities are given here. That is called the all-round development of the child. Individual attention. Individually. See, whoever the teachers are there, whoever the lecturers are there teaching the lessons, they are concentrating not for the group, they are concentrating for the student individually. Each and every person must study. So the information is given to all the students. Next, focus on social values. Focus. Okay, we will learn the child, we will make the child to learn about the social values. Means helping nature. Got? Helping nature, how to protect the environment, how to protect the land, how to protect the water, okay, how to behave with the parents. Yes, these all are the social values. They are going to be, they are going to give, this school faculty is going to give this all social values. Yoga and meditation, children. Okay, yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation. Why we are doing? To keep our body healthy, physically fit, mentally healthy. Physically fit and mentally healthy. Yoga and meditations are given. Yoga. Yoga means what, children? Here, yoga. Yoga is nothing but yoga. Sitting in a free place. Okay, where is a peace? Where is a peace means the place where the silence is present. The place where silence is present. So sitting in the place and doing what here? Doing some exercise. Okay, some exercise daily. When you go to the school, early in the morning, you will do some exercise. Yes or no? Why you are doing? Why? Because some children are very lazy to attend the classes. To remove that laziness, so we are providing the exercise before starting our class. Yes, so by giving this exercise or yoga, the children will become alert in learning something. So yoga and meditation, children. Meditation. mediation. So what are the uses of the yoga and meditation? See, yoga gives the relief for the body and keeps the healthy, physically fit. Keep the body physically fit. Meditation is nothing but sitting at one place and keeping the concentration on one thing and breathing very late. Okay, taking the low breath. What happened? It refreshes our mind. Meditation, by doing the meditation, the use of the meditation is it refreshes our mind. Next, children, goes to the another feature, games and sport. Okay, will make the child to participate in games and sports also. We are giving the chance for a child in playing the games and sports also. Next, dance and music. See, mostly the schools are not offering this dance and music. Why? Because these all activities, dance and music, these activities are actually made outside the school, in the marriages or in the functions. But not only, music is nothing but music is provided only for all the all the cinema movies. No, it can be make movies, music can be also made on the patriotic songs also. So we'll make the children to learn the patriotic songs. Okay, patriotic song. Next, dances also. Okay, we can make the child to learn the dance. Different types of dances are made. Why? Because when they grow up, when they go out of the school, so what happens? The child has to show the talent where he has hidden. Okay, where he has hidden, where he has kept the talent. That talent is shown outside the school. So all round development is given. All round to development of the child is given in the school. Next one, digital classes children. Okay, every day we are going to school and we are studying in the private school. Okay, nowadays not only in the private school, in the government schools also, the digital classes are provided by our government. Yes or no? Digital classes are provided. What is the uses of the digital classes? Digital classes provide us more knowledge, gives us more knowledge than the textbook. Okay, whatever the information is given in the textbook, in spite of that also we are getting more knowledge by seeing the projector on the screen. Okay, next, moral education. Morally, they are going to teach you morally also for the child. Next one, Indian heritage. Okay, Indian heritage. They will tell the about the Indian heritage also. They are going to give the they are going to tell the importance of Indian heritage also. For example, Indian heritage is nothing but when we are participating in other activities. Okay, we should have to give more preference on the Indian culture only. Okay, heritage we should have to follow. Indian heritage have to follow. So that Indian heritage is also given in the school. So these are the points. How many points are given? How many features are given? These all are the features children. How many features? So there are 10 features. Once I will read here. Located in the midst of the nature, focus on all-round development of your child, individual attention. Okay, individual attention. Focus on social values, yoga and meditation, games and sport, dance and music, digital rooms, classrooms. Moral education, Indian heritage. Okay, for details contact. If you want the admission, for details contact the headmaster. We should have to contact for the headmaster. ZP High School. We are making a poster about this school now. So ZP High School. Yes, ZP High School, street number 8, Vanasthalipuram, Hyderabad. In the same way, last poster making we have made no. In that also for details contact the principal, government model school, road number, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Okay, this all have mentioned. Okay, after making the poster, they will provide the contact number also for us if they need. Next one, come to the down one children here. What is given? Each one of you has an aspiration. Someone wants to become a sportsman. Okay, everybody has some aspiration. Some wants to become a sportsman, experts in playing the games, sports, okay, or a software engineer, okay, software engineer, etc. As a student, which school would you like to join? If you have any ambition or any aspiration, which type of schools you want to join? Why? Okay, and why you will join? Next, write your opinion in your own notebook, based on the ideas given below. Okay, now see the text, see the table children. In the table, scientists believe that we have various kinds of intelligence. What scientists are telling? Scientists are telling that scientists believe that we have various kinds of intelligence. Yes or no? Every people has a different type of intelligent power. All intelligences are equally valued and present in every individual. Though some intelligence is better developed than others. Okay, all are equal. Okay, intelligence is nothing but talent. All talent, everybody has a talent, but they show the talent in different ways. Intelligence helps us reach our aspiration. Intelligence is power. Okay, help in reaching our aspiration, our goal. Okay. Now the 9 intelligences are. What are the nine intelligences? First one's here. Linguistic intelligence. Good with the words. Okay, intelligences are there. There are 9 intelligences. First one, linguistic intelligence is about good with the words. Next, logical or mathematical intelligence, good with the numbers. Okay, this intelligence powers. Okay, they are showing interest on which they have the interest. So intelligence have the this logical intelligence will have the intelligent power in good with numbers only. Next, spatial intelligence. Third one, spatial intelligence, good at arrangements of objects. Next, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, good with the dance acrobatics. Okay, dance acrobatic music, they all comes under the acrobatics. Next, musical intelligence, good with the music, sound children. Okay, music. Interpersonal intelligence means good with the making friends. Next, intrapersonal intelligence deals with the feeling good about to your myself. Okay. Next, naturalistic intelligence, love for animals. The people show the intelligence on natural things. That is, they show the love for animals, plants. Next, spiritual intelligence. Spiritual intelligence is nothing but thinking about life and its purpose. Thinking about our life. What is the use of? What is the purpose of being on the land? Okay. Example, God. Boys and girls are capable and equally intelligent. Means for this 9 intelligences, boys and girls both are eligible. Okay. Eligible and they are equal. They can use these intelligences to do any task they choose to do. Okay, you can use this intelligence whatever the task you want to do in your life, children. Okay, this I have explained. So in this class I have explained about the poster making. So today's homework, children, what you should do means there are 2 poster making, no, at least 1 poster, that is whatever I have shown in the part 2, no, part 2 poster I have explained on the blackboard, no need that one. The second part, okay, second part from the page number 61, from the page number 61, the poster making you should have to write 1 time in your notebook. Okay, with this and in my class we will next meet in the other topic. Thank you.